No time to cook, but want to lose weight fast? These 3 low-calorie, fat-burning meals take just 5 minutes to prep, are packed with fat-burning ingredients, and keep you full all day. We're not just sharing recipes, we're diving into exactly why these meals work for weight loss. Plus, you'll hear real testimonials from people who've seen results. Ready to start melting fat without spending hours in the kitchen? Let's jump in. Meal 1: Avocado Tuna Bowl. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 can of tuna in water, 1/4 cup diced cucumber, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: scoop out the avocado flesh and mash it in a bowl. Drain the tuna and mix it with the avocado. Add diced cucumber and drizzle olive oil on top. Season with salt and pepper and mix everything. Why this works. Each ingredient in this quick meal is hand-picked to help your body burn fat faster. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, which actually help keep you fuller for longer, cutting down on unnecessary snacking. Plus, it's packed with fiber, which supports digestion and stabilizes blood sugar. Tuna, loaded with lean protein, is your body's best friend when it comes to weight loss. Protein has a thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. Yes, really. And that touch of olive oil? It's a powerhouse for metabolism and helps your body absorb vitamins.
I needed something fast and filling for my crazy schedule, and this avocado tuna bowl was perfect. I felt energized and actually started to see a slimmer waist by week's end.
Meal 2: Greek Yogurt Berry Parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup mixed berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, a dash of cinnamon. Preparation: scoop Greek yogurt into a bowl, add a layer of berries on top, sprinkle chia seeds and a dash of cinnamon over the parfait. Why this works. Greek yogurt is one of the best foods for a quick weight loss boost. It's high in protein, which helps curb cravings and keeps you feeling full. And those berries? Low in carbs but high in antioxidants? They work to reduce inflammation, which can often slow down weight loss. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty, are rich in fiber and expand in your stomach, making you feel full and satisfied. And that dash of cinnamon? It's a metabolism booster that helps stabilize blood sugar levels, meaning you won't get hungry as fast. Curious about how Greek yogurt can also help with muscle recovery after a long day? Stick around for meal 3. You'll love how the next meal builds on this protein-packed goodness.
This yogurt parfait became my go-to breakfast. It's refreshing, keeps me full, and the best part, I'm down 5 pounds this month.
Meal 3: Egg and spinach power wrap. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1 low-carb tortilla, optional salt and pepper to taste, a pinch of feta cheese, optional preparation. Crack the eggs into a bowl, season with salt and pepper, and whisk. Sauté spinach in a non-stick pan for 30 seconds. Pour eggs over the spinach, scramble until cooked. Serve in a low-carb tortilla or on its own, sprinkle a bit of feta on top for extra flavor if you'd like. Why this works. Eggs are low-calorie, packed with protein, and have the perfect balance of healthy fats to keep you full longer. The protein not only helps keep hunger in check, but also boosts metabolism through something called the thermic effect of food. Your body burns more calories processing protein. Spinach is an ultra-low-calorie green with tons of fiber, so it fills you up without adding bulk to your daily intake. It's also full of vitamins like A and C, which promote fat burning by supporting a healthy metabolism. Want to know why combining eggs with leafy greens is one of the best tricks for fast weight loss? It's because this combo creates a powerful duo for staying full, reducing cravings, and giving you lasting energy. Imagine your busy day without needing extra snacks to stay focused.
I couldn't believe how quick and satisfying this meal was. I used to reach for junk food, but after having this egg and spinach wrap regularly, I've noticed a drop in my weight and way more energy throughout the day.
There you have it, 3 5-minute meals that can help you lose weight without losing precious time. Each recipe is designed for busy schedules and packed with ingredients scientifically shown to support fat loss. Want more meal ideas, tips, and weight loss hacks like these? Hit subscribe and don't forget to let us know in the comments which meal you'll be trying first. And here's a bonus tip. If you're looking to supercharge your results, we've got some low-carb snack ideas that are just as quick and effective. Curious? Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. With these recipes, you're not just prepping meals. You're setting yourself up for weight loss success, all while keeping your time and energy intact.